Everyone, welcome to Sweet Tomato Vine Homestead. I'm Linda, and today I am out in my garden, and I have came out to check to see how things are looking after the storm last night. We had a thunderstorm and a lot of rain, and the temperatures are supposed to be going down today, and we're expecting some snow. I am going to turn the camera around just to let you see what the garden is looking like after the thunderstorm. You know, I covered everything with some different fabrics that I had in the house, and so I'm going to turn the camera around so you all can see that the wind has started blowing things off already. So I'm going to have to go back and straighten those things back up, recover some things that the wind blew the covers off of. But I'm going to turn the camera around so you all can see. Okay, y'all, this is what the garden looks like after trying to cover it to save my plants. I have different bedding linens are out here that I am covering my beds with, and there are still some things that are uncovered, but I am going to go ahead and I'm going to continue to cover since it is not raining right now. It is very cloudy. I'm also going to let the chickens out and feed them because I know that they're ready to stretch their wings this morning. So y'all, let's get started. Good morning, everyone. I know y'all ready to come out. Let's get out and get some breakfast. We got a lot of rain. Everything is saturated out here. Hilda's the first one out again. Hilda's in the lead. I've already wrapped up all the hoses. Make sure these are closed up. Don't need any water or any kind of moisture get inside of my chicken feed. Oh, I guess I could go ahead and check to see if there are any eggs while I'm out here. Oh, got someone in here laying. Hey, girl. Let me see what you got. Give me that egg. I got that egg. Thank you. Some more bedding because once it starts, I don't think we're gonna get any more rain. I don't know, but yeah, we're getting more rain, but we're definitely getting some other precipitation, so I want to make sure that it's not very slippery out here in case the ice forms. Because I'll still have to come out here. I want to make sure I get it in here when I first come in, because this is like a slope. Okay, so I got 3 eggs. I'm gonna take these eggs in the house, but I just want to kind of pull on this cover. I had this pulled over, but the wind blew it off some. And even it is tacked to the ground, so I think I need to put a clamp right here and then stake it right here. So that's what I will do to that one. First, I'm gonna go ahead and take these eggs inside the house. And I'm also gonna take this camellia bush into the garage. One thing that is on my to-do list is to sit the plants that are on tables on the ground so that they will not get knocked off or blown off by the wind, and that can cause pots to break. A lot of stuff has got knocked down, and there's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done in the garden, but I just don't see what the use of doing it right now is, so I'm just gonna wait until all of the storm is over. But I am going to harvest some of this broccoli. Okay, so we got some nice little spears on here that would be good with breakfast today. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get them. That's what they're looking like. Because it is very damp out here. And there are a lot of other things that I need to take care of inside today. Because I am still canning those greens. I am putting them in the freezer. So that is what I am working on today. And it's just a very quick process. It'll be much quicker if I'm not filming. I'm just going to blanch them and put them in freezer bags. Put them into my freezer. There are a lot of baby broccoli that are coming out. I'm going to saute these and have them with my breakfast. There's a very small head of cabbage right there. I just leave that. I just happened to see this and decided that I wasn't going to let it just sit here and freeze when I can eat it. A lot of them are very small, but together they'll make a nice meal. And then I have some in the freezer. If I need to, I can just take out a small bag to go along with it. Okay, so that's my little broccoli harvest. I'm going to get some of this lettuce also. And I can have a salad later. I'll just put it in the same bowl. And try to leave the soil in the pot. I'll just plant that little piece back in there. You all know these baby mustards are great in a salad. So we're going to take some of these baby mustards. Matter of fact, I think I'll just try to just put that bowl down and just get in here and get them. Then I won't have to worry about covering this container. I'll just leave these roots in here. And I'll go and wash these all up and make a big salad and sit it in the refrigerator. So that means I need to get over here and get some of these other lettuces also. I covered my onions up over there. I'm really trying to keep from uncovering anything this morning. Because if I uncover it, then that means that's something else I got to cover. Okay, so we got our mustards. There is some more lettuce over here that I'm going to get. I'm going to move it all around here. I'm going to stop and get some of these chives too. Give me a nice bunch of them. So I got me some chives. And there is some more lettuce we can add in. Trying to leave as much of the soil in the container as I can. I don't want any soil in my salad bowl here. Although I am going to wash this, but I gotta make it easier on myself by leaving as much soil in the container, in the pot here in the planter as I can. Okay, so they look like all the salads that we can get. These are really small, and they'll cause a problem for me while I'm trying to wash my salads. So I'm not gonna get them, have them. Oh, I was gonna go over there to the other one. Y'all look how I got the other one covered. That is what the other planter is looking like. That's my other Dollar Tree stackable. And it is covered. As I said, I don't want to uncover anything right now. I don't know. Let's go over here and let's see, because I may not have wrapped. Oh, did I staple it? I don't know if I stapled it. Let's go see. Okay, I'm trying to see if I staple this to the ground. Yep, I did. I stapled it. There are. And I put plastic over it and stapled it. So there's plastic underneath there. Then there's this covering, and then it's stapled to the ground. So I won't be removing that. me go ahead and take this pot out. These only gonna keep falling over. Just sit it right there on the ground. Lay this over. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed this video today, and you'll give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.